Welcome to the Hindi introductions video. In this video, you're going to learn several ways that you can introduce yourself and start a conversation with other people. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a little bit of review, and then we're going to go into a few new introductions, and then we'll do some practice. So let's get started. So for a little bit of review, if you remember from the greetings video, we learned how to say hello. There was two different ways for that, and it was namaste or namaskar. Both of these ways could be used with the form ji if you are talking to someone who you want to give respect to. So when you do talk to someone, you start off a conversation with hello, and then you're not going to end it there. You're going to introduce yourself. You're going to want to get them to introduce themselves. And so we go into this conversation. The conversation typically will start off with, if you don't know who they are, the question, what is your name? So in Hindi, the way that we ask this question is, Aapka naam kya hai? So something that you'll notice is you're always going to use Aapka naam kya hai because when you're using the word naam is a masculine word. Your Aapka is going to agree with naam and not the person you're talking to. Even if you're talking to a female person, you're not going to say Aapki naam kya hai because naam as a word is still a masculine word. You use the word hai because the verb has to agree with naam, not the person we're talking to. So we would say Aapka naam kya hai? So an example question could be, what is her name? In this case, naam is still going to be masculine, so you say uska naam kya hai? You wouldn't say uski naam even though you're talking to a female because name is still masculine. So then let's go into responding to that question. Responding to that question would be the sentence, my name is. So when you're saying my name is in Hindi, you say mera naam blank hai. So again, this follows the agreement rule that you agree with naam. You don't agree with your own gender. You agree with the gender of naam, and naam is masculine, so you say mera naam blank hai. So for example, my name is Simran, so I would say mera naam Simran hai. Even though Simran is a female, you still say mera naam Simran hai. So to move on to how you would ask someone how they are, you typically use the word kaisa. Kaisa means how. So kaisa can be conjugated in different ways. As a feminine word, kaisi, which can be singular or plural, masculine singular kaisa, or masculine plural kaise. So then we go on to just asking them the question. That would be aap kaise hain? The reason you would use kaise is because aap is giving someone plural formal respect. Hain agrees with aap. Kaise also agrees with aap. Now, if you were going to say how is she, you would say wo kaisi hai. If you were supposed to change this up and you were going to say how are they, as in a group of plural women, you say ve kaisi hain. You still have kaisi because it's the plural feminine form, but now you have ve and hain to agree with the plural form of female. So now let's do another example, which would be how is he? So for how is he, you would say wo kaisa hai. So remember, he is singular masculine, so you have kaisa, which is the singular masculine form of kaisa, wo, which is singular, and hai, which is also singular. So for some practice, let's do this first problem, which just says, how are you, Sonia? So I'll give you a few seconds to figure that out, and then let's see what you guys get. So you guys should have gotten aap kaisi hain, Sonia. So the reason that this is there is because hai and aap are plural forms of respect for Sonia, and kaisi is a plural feminine form. Sonia is one person, but we are giving her respect in this situation, which is why you're saying aap kaisi hai Sonia. So number 2, what is her name? So you guys should have gotten uska naam kya hai. So even though it's her name, it's a female that you're talking to, naam is masculine, and so you say uska. And last one, my name is Sonia. Okay, you guys should have gotten mera naam Sonia hai. So you still use mera naam because naam is masculine and a singular word, even though Sonia is a female person. So that's it for today. I hope introductions in Hindi are a little bit more clear for you guys now, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next lesson.